Today we're going to be reading Night Noises, written by Mun Fox and illustrated by Terry Denton. Night Noises. Night Noises. Little Laceby lived in an old cottage in the hills. Her hair was as wispy as cobwebs in the ceilings. Her bones were as creaky as floorboards at midnight. Her only companion was a fat old dog called Butch Aggie. People who lived nearby said Lily was nearly 90, but they were only guessing. One wild winter evening, as little Laceby sat by her fire, snug and warm, she drifted off to sleep and began to dream. Butch Aggie dozed at her feet. Outside, clouds raced along the sky, playing hide and seek with the moon. Wind and rain rattled at the windows and trees banged against the roof. Somewhere in the distance, car doors opened and closed softly. Click, clack. Butch Aggie listened. Pero. But Lily Laceby kept on dreaming. She's dreaming here, guys. Feet tiptoed up the garden path. Crunch, crunch. Butch Aggie cocked her head. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Voices whispered in bushes. Murmur, mutter. Shh. Butch Aggie bristled. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Eyes peeked through keyholes. Squint, peek, peer. Butch Aggie's throat rumbled. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Hands tried to turn doorknobs. Twist, test, rattle. Butch Aggie bared her teeth. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Knuckles drummed on door frames. Knick, knack, knock. Butch Aggie leaped up growling. But Lily Laceby went on dreaming. Fists beat upon doors and voices shouted at windows. Yell, clatter, bang, bang, bang. Butch Aggie barked and barked. Lily Laceby woke up with a start. Who is it? She called. Who is it on a night like this? It's only us. Let us in. Let us in. Creak, crack, went Lily Laceby's knees as she got to her feet. Snick, snap, went the bolts on the door. And in came. Surprise! Happy birthday! Where's the toilet? Put the kettle on! Ha ha ha! Mwah mwah! Happy 90th birthday! Her 2 sons, her 3 daughters, her 14 grandchildren, her 35 great-grandchildren, her great-great-grandchildren, Emily's age 4.5 and 47 friends. Surprise! For she's a jolly good granny. Happy birthday. Are you really 90? Whispered Emily, age 4.5. Lily Laceby held her hand and smiled. Inside, I'm only 4.5 like you, she whispered back. But don't tell anyone. Look at the party, guys. The end. It's a great book.